Hello everybody, welcome to this video. So in this video, as you saw the title, I am going to be explaining you what is the mindset behind how I make offers that sell and have generated thousands of dollars for the clients I work with and help them make the right service offer. It's not about offers and how you position them or risk reversals or anything like that. It's simple day-to-day offers but are actually converting and people buy from them. Not all this complicated stuff about how you need to make them feel or how they need to think about it, but just small stuff to implement in order to sell a right offer that overcomes your competitors. So in the market we're all in, there's lots of competition. So the customer is probably going to buy to someone who has the best trust or is offering something that the other is not. And most of the times that is 1+1s, freebies, or maybe a bonus that makes the customer buy. So when I work with a client, we're focusing on putting free offers without them actually losing a penny. How do I do that? I'm explaining in just a second. We begin by taking the service offer 2 or 3 weeks before and we basically raise the price. So let's say an offer is about 200 euros, we make it 400 or 350 depending on our budget, our profit margins, or maybe how much money they make. Now for 2 or 3 weeks we're focusing on not promoting this service much because people are not going to buy it because of its price, but some people are. Well, apart from that, you need to make the calculations of how much money this service is bringing you approximately every 2 to 3 weeks. See how much money you might lose from making this adjustment, and then make a wise decision on if it is actually worth it in increasing the price to prepare a good 1+1 offer without losing money at that time. Now, with the client situation, that was totally worth it if you hear the end result. So stick until the end. I am going to share the end result of how many sales we made with the 1+1 free, but it's actually a scam offer. Don't get me wrong, it's just the way we are positioning the offer to the audience. So we're basically presenting it as free because we increased the price, then we decreased the price and added 1+1. So that makes it normal price for us but free for them because the price was up 3 weeks before. It's probably something like the stock market. On the stocks go up, we make it down, but we are still on the top without them knowing that. So after 3 weeks, we take the service offer, and after people have seen that it's actually $400, we're making 1+1 for free at $400. Now, what does that do in the customer's mind? In your potential customer mind, once they see this is 1+1, they will be, oh, this is a chance for me to get 2 services in the price of 1. It doesn't matter if it is, and we also let them book double date if they needed to book the second service. But in the reality, we're actually selling at the same service in a higher volume. So what was the change of that after the 1 month? We did everything we did and prepared the offer. We made the creatives, we launched the ads, and we tracked the 1 month difference. Now the sales we made in the previous month with this offer was about 1,000 to 1,500 the entire month. Now this month, which we launched this offer, is making $2,000 until now in the second week. So if the numbers add up right, because now with we also increased the ad spend, we are aiming to get at least 4,000 to 5,000 until the end of this month. So we're basically increased the price, added a bonus, we presented it as a bonus. Well, it is exactly like buying 2 services. So we're basically selling 1 service in the price of 2. They're actually buying the service twice while they are thinking that they are buying the price 1 time. To address this correctly, it's just an emotion you give your customers to make them feel more comfortable when paying so much money at you. And if someone comes and says, oh, I remember your price was once $200, what changed there? What you say is that you increased the volume, you added extra equipment, and you had to increase the price and yada yada, and then it decided to invest more in lowering the price with the 1+1 free bonus, if you know what I'm saying. And actually make more money as you present the offer differently. Now, in any case, I am still advising this customer to increase the volume while adding a freebie or a bonus, because if you have a 70 or 60% profit margin as my customer has, and you sell 6 or 7 times the times you're selling now, you'll still make more money if the profit margins drops down to 40 instead of keeping it in 70 and making 0 sales or maybe 2. Especially when it comes to ads, where it's such a competitive market, it is really important to bully your competitors, run better ads than them. And when I say better ads than them, I mean better offers, and present yourself as unique and different, as someone who offers something unique and different in the market. Otherwise, not only your CPM, your cost per 1,000 impressions is gonna be like average $40, but the click-through rate, everything is going to be low as hell, with you leading to paying 50 euros cost per lead, or maybe 12 euros cost per lead, when you can get it down to 5 or 4 or 3. Now that is all. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about the offer and if you have tried it before, and I will see you on the next one.